Okay, so today we'll start GUI.
Okay.
Okay, so what is GUI? Graphical User Interface.
Into
Okay,
Interface.
so that
okay.
means using Python, you can do this graphical user interface also. You can design. So let's go one by one. So how it works? First, copy the first one. Yeah. Comment that, and that line also comment. Okay, so for GUI we have a module or library that is called tkinter. Okay,
Okay.
like we have math library, OS library. So whatever the library you are done, try to remember and go through those libraries. So
Okay.
now for GUI, this is the tkinter library. There are so many libraries are there, but at least you should know which library is for what and how they work, all these things. Okay, so
Okay.
now here just run it once. It came in the no, it came down in your taskbar.
That's yes.
Just expand. No, click on the middle one.
Okay.
Just expand. No, just drag it. Hmm. Drag down also. No, put it just below the code. That's it. 1 second. Drag
Okay.
it. Don't do this much. No, I should. Okay, that's it. So here, for this GUI, you have to use that library called tkinter. Okay. And as I told you, tkinter edge, I am taking some alias name as a tk. Okay. Here I'm taking one variable, let's say r equal to tk dot again capital Tk. Okay, that is nothing but sub module present in that library. Okay. Now this first two line and last two line you have to write. Okay, by default, because there are so many programs and they are calling different modules libraries inside this one. So this will be by default you have to write. Okay. Now, so just press one enter after the second line, first line, and after the this one button is there, right? Destroy. After
Yes.
destroy, you enter one more. Last, go to
Yes.
last. That line last, enter. Okay. So here the first two and last two you have to write it. What it is doing, it is calling different inbuilt libraries, so that no need to write those codes again and again. Okay. And but here just what we are doing first is r dot title. That means suppose you want to give some title, so counting seconds. Okay. So whatever you want to give some title, let's say you are creating a menu, let's say amazon.com, flipkart.com, whatever. Okay. So here you can create a GUI like this. You want to give some name, you can give it here. Okay. If you change here, the title will come accordingly. Okay.
Okay.
Now button is equal to this. Button is nothing but a variable. You can take a b c d x y z whatever. Tk dot capital B, that is nothing but inbuilt. Okay. Now here you are passing some properties. Okay. That is only the thing that you have to do. All this format is same. Just you need to pass some
Values.
these parameters, so that you will get different things there. That's it. So here
Okay.
r will be there, then text equal to stop. That means in that button what the name you are going to give, you can give stop, name, whatever you want to correct. You can
Login,
quit.
sign in.
Huh?
Login, sign in like that.
Login, sign in, submit, whatever. Now width how much you want to give, you can give it. Now command, Command you can give, let's say here I am given r dot destroy. That means if you click that, it should come out. Exit.
Okay.
Okay. Click that. Click that stop button.
Yes.
Okay. So it will exit. R dot destroy means that button, what the function of that button? That button will exit. Okay. Again run. That's it. Huh? Bring it down. Okay. That's it. Wait. Now do one thing. Cross that button. Close it.
This one.
Now write after destroy, give comma. Bg equal to
Sir, busy.
Bg.
BG.
G for God. Equal to within quote red. Run it.
Got it.
Correct. So here just you need to put the properties. That's it. There is no logic, nothing. Okay. It's like a kids game. Okay. So you have to give the properties one by one. I'll tell you the properties. Okay. Just give those properties in there. That's it. Everything will be same only. You change only in the properties. Everything will be same. You want red color, pink color, yellow color, whatever, width and whatever, some commands. So that's it. No need to do anything. Clear? So BG means background color. Okay.
Okay.
Now close it. Go to your Google. Here you write tkinter button properties. tkinter button properties.
Okay.
Because there are so many properties, no one going to remember all this. Wait. Second one. Open the second one.
Okay.
So no one going to remember all these properties. Okay. So come down.
Patterns.
So see, there are so many things are there. This is just nothing but your interest. If you want to do some design, different ideas, that you can do it. Okay. Now come down. I'll tell you properties. Come down. Down. Wait. Okay. Wait. Here, see. Here BG is there, right? BG is nothing but background. Okay. Like that you can give BG and give some color. Okay. Like that, so many, if you want to some photo, some picture or whatever you want, these properties you have to set. That's it. Come down. Okay. Come down. Okay. Let's say FG. Go there. We'll do FG. FG is there, right? Foreground color. Okay. There is foreground FG, right? That one. Let's go to your code. Comma FG equal to
Green.
yellow.
Yellow.
Green. Correct. No problem. Whatever. Run it. No. Put that red mark. Stop it first. Now run it. If you see, the foreground means the text color, it changed to green. Because of red, it is not visible. Otherwise, you can remove that BG, then you can visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Make it white.
Okay.
BG equal to white or else. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. So like that, as per the requirement, I mean, this is no logic, nothing, just these properties you have to add one by one as per the requirement. That's it. Okay. So how to create a button? You understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Now what we'll do, now after this button, then again there is a button dot pack and r dot main loop. Okay. So what button.pack and main loop will do, basically internally what will do, all the pixel it will combine, then the main, there is a program inside the main loop, kind of small, these are modules or functions. So it will call and it will do internally some of the code, it will execute and it will show the GUI. That's it. Okay. So for us, no need to write those codes again, because otherwise it will become a 10-line code. Okay. So instead of that, just change in the properties, done.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
Now let's go to the other one. Close it. Now canvas. Okay, here same thing. First,
Mm.
see, I told you different way to write, right? From tkinter import star, that also you can write, or import tkinter, that also you can write. The difference
Mm.
is, if you write import star means no need to write dot. Okay,
Okay.
I told you in the previous class. Okay, so here, what do you mean by canvas?
Okay.
Canvas means, let's say we are doing a painting. Okay, the painting,
Yes,
if
sir.
you are doing, the area that you are going to do the painting, that is nothing but your canvas area, not the whole thing.
Okay.
Okay,
They are particularly working area.
working area, exactly. So now run this. Okay, so here we are just drawing a line. Okay, but this whole area is not the canvas area. Okay, canvas we have
Okay.
taken as a width equal to 40, height equal to 60. Okay, okay, close once close. Now in the canvas properties, right, bg equal to
Mm.
green. Now run it. Okay, so here if you see, this is only the canvas area, width is 40, height is 60, not the whole area.
Okay.
Okay, so accordingly you can define your canvas area, and in that I am drawing a line. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so here canvas, just give the properties, that's it. Now to draw a line, we have second one, from second last is create line 0 comma y comma canvas width comma y. Okay, so what it means, okay, let me explain you. Close it, close the output. See, to create a line, what you need?
X-axis, Y-axis.
Exactly. So x-axis and y-axis. In x-axis 2 points and y-axis 2 points. Total 4 points. Right?
Okay.
So that's what we are giving here, 4 points. That's it. 0 comma y. What is the value of y? Y equal to canvas height divided by 2. Okay.
Okay.
So what is canvas height?
20.
20 divided by 2?
10. Sir.
10.
10.
So instead of y, you write 10.
Okay.
0 comma 10 you write. And the last also y you write 10. Now what is the canvas width?
With 200
Write
divided by
200. Canvas width is 200. Okay, now this 3 line you comment it from 7 to 9. 7 to 9, select 7 to 9, comment. You can comment multiple line at a time, select all and control forward slash. Okay, no problem.
Control.
Last one also. This is the same thing. Okay, here I have taken as a variable a equal to 20, b equal to 200, and c equal to this divided by a by b. Instead of that, directly you can take the values. That's it. Okay, now run it. Same thing. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So like that, here we have created a canvas. For canvas, we have to canvas, then properties, then to create a line, create underscore line, then give the 4 points. That's it. Then pack, main loop, and equal to tk. These are 4 are same. So previous one, this one is same, but there we are writing in different way. Here we are writing in different way. You can write in the same way, whatever you want. Okay. But just you have to remember that for button there is a button, then write the properties. For canvas, then write the properties, create line underscore, then write the 4 points, like that. That's it, and all the 4 things are common. Okay,
Yes, sir.
good. Now go to next one. It's nothing, just do your just R&D. So you just put your if interest, do something changes and change the properties, you will come to know. There is nothing, bigger things here.
But when you are interview, they are not ask that program and all, no, sir. They ask
No, no,
means
no, no,
only
no,
keep
no, no, no. They won't ask this one much. Just they will ask whether
important.
they will just, here they won't ask this kind of questions. Okay, questions they'll main question they will ask in the program
Okay.
using for loop, built-in function. Those we have done. This is just they will ask whether have you do you know how to do GUI in Python? You can tell yes.
Okay.
What is the library? You can tell tick enter. Done.
Hmm. Okay.
No need to remember all this thing. Even even the person who will be asking, he even don't know all these properties. Okay, so by doing only it will be you can remember all these things.
Okay.
Now go to the next one, check button. So same thing here. Okay, after first 2 line enter, after first 2 line enter, this will be common. Okay, now third, after 4th line enter, after 7th, about there, no, there enter, then after 10th enter. Okay, so here what do you mean by check button?
Okay.
Okay, just run it. So here this is nothing but your check button. Okay, so whether it is just do the tick mark there, male or female. Okay, and female. So check button means you can select both, right?
Yes, sir.
Check button, you can select the both, multiple also you can select. That is your check button. Okay, can you add one more button?
Yes, sir.
Do it, close it.
What do you do, sir?
Male,
General?
female, let's say child,
Sorry, kids.
kids.
Transgender.
Others.
Trans- yeah, there's a transgender. It is coming nowadays in every file and
Correct. Now run it. Now see what is happening.
Yes, sir.
you have to change a variable.
Because
variable.
here it is
Yeah.
overlapping. Okay.
Yeah.
Variable 3 you have to write there 3. Then row, see row equal to 0, 1, 2. In the row also you have to change 2. Then done. That's it. Run it. Yeah, got it. Okay. So here at least you should learn how to do smart copy and paste. That's it.
Okay.
Nothing else here. No logic, nothing. So here, let's say they are going to tell you create this many check buttons. Just copy paste and change accordingly. Because see here, grid row 0, first one row 0, row 1, row 2, like that. Okay. Sticky means what? It's a W means orientation. It will slightly move towards east, west, north, south. Okay. Slightly it will move. So you can write. You can go to your this one Google. I'll tell you. You can make it west. This is west, right? Now
Yes.
you can make it east, north, or south, whatever. And no capital.
One east, one west, you can do like that, sir.
Yeah. So accordingly it will come. The slightly movement will be there. Now
One
run
east,
it.
one west.
You can see that it's very small changes will be there. Yeah, like that. See, kids came this side. Okay, slightly movement will be there. Okay. And okay, go to this one, your Google again, check button properties in Tkinter. Type, you will find so many properties. No, this is for button only. Type again, instead of button, like check button.
CCK, check button.
Came second one. It came second one. No, it came.
Python, sir. You need to give Python, right?
Yeah, just
No.
enter
Don't
check
write how
button
to.
properties.
Only check button properties in Tkinter, because in Python there are so many other libraries apart from Tkinter also. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Check button properties in Tkinter.
This one, sir.
Yeah, second one. See, yeah, that one. You go for this effbot.org. Okay, that is nothing but a separate organization. I mean, this is only for this GUI and all this thing. Okay, good. Now come down. You can try these codes also directly. You can come down. Come down. See here, see. So here also see, busy color is there, background, this center, and so this is anchor. Okay. So north, east, south, center, how you want to give. You want to color means you can give busy equal to some color. Come down. Image, all these things. See, basically, every company has some GUI already, right?
Yes, sir.
So this requirement will get very less, because already every company has something in place, right? So if it requires, or if you want to do something implement in this, then you can do. Otherwise, it's very rare. You can use this GUI, but if somebody needs, then you can use that.
Okay.
Okay. Go to your code. Okay, so you understood check button. So like that, you can add one by one. Okay.
Okay.
Now go to other one. Entry. Okay. So first two line, enter. Then after 7 give enter. Why I'm doing this? So that it will be easier for you to understand. Now after 10th, perfect. So that's why you should first segregate. Now run it. Okay. Suppose you want to first name, last name like this. So you can do it. Now suppose I'll tell you do one middle name also. Okay, in between.
Okay.
Now do. Run it.
Column 3. Oh, no, sir. Column 2.
No. No, column won't change. Row it will change. Row is already changed. Now run it. I'll tell you what the column is. Perfect. Okay. Now, if you change the columns, let's see what is happening.
We change, sir.
You change first. Okay. Row 0, 1, 2 is there, right? You make it a row 0 also. All are make it 0.
Okay.
Row,
So it will overlap, right, sir?
let's see. Just one make 0, huh? That make 0. And there also in the above, in the label, huh? Run it. That's it. Run it. No, no, huh? Okay, it will overlap.
Overlap.
Now, yeah. Now cross it. You make it column also. Let's say 0. First one 0. Run it. So it will be coming in a one column. Otherwise, it will come in a row wise. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So like that, you want to design how you want to design, just change accordingly. That's it. Okay, you got it right. Column means what? Row means what? So you want
Yeah,
which
understood,
row,
sir.
which column? So you want to change accordingly. That's it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Close it. Just do some, just play around this, and nothing logic, nothing. Just change some properties and see what is coming. Okay. So this is nothing but your entry. Suppose you want to enter something. Let's say name. What you want to enter something, you can use this. So first is label. Label means this is nothing but to write the label. What the label is. First name or last name. The text it will come. Now entry means this is the. It will create a grid, and there you can enter. That's it.
Okay.
Now go to the next one.
One doubt. Bro, can you open the again? Yeah. We giving here a row and in first in the label itself, right, sir? Like a label master, and there we giving the row and even we giving down also in grid.
So that yeah, because see, what do you mean by label? Open the output. Go to output. I'll tell you. Label means this name, last name. This is label.
Okay.
And after last name, there is a grid. That is nothing but grid.
Okay, the columns and the other things.
That is the grid. And that is the label, the name that you have written, last name. That is nothing but your label.
Okay, understood, sir. So the labels in which row we have to come, we are mentioning there, and the grid we are mentioning in the row and column for the box.
Right,
Where
right.
we have to enter.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, got it.
Now go to the frame. Run it. So this is nothing but multiple buttons. You want to multiple buttons. So just I've given some name. You can give anything here. XYZ. So red button, text. It should be come in the left side. This is should be left side of this. This should be button. Black one should come in the down. Like that. You can mention so many buttons here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So nothing else. These are more buttons. I'll tell you one example. Just close it. Open Google. See, everything is there. I mean, just you need to search, write a simple calculator using TK Enter. Simple calculator. Python.
Using?
Python TK Enter. First one. Okay, just open the first one. Come down. 1 second. Copy this code. There is a no. Just click that one. No, there is a option button. Copy. Click that one. That is for copy. Control A.
Go next one, sir.
You want another this one?
No, I can't do this one.
Paste it.
So,
Now run it. Okay, just expand it. Now write 7 plus 5. Okay, so like that you can prepare a calculator. Here, what they have used, that is first one is the entry button, entry grid that they have done, and these are only the buttons. That's it. So when I click one button, what should happen? That code you have to write it there. Okay.
Okay.
Now close it. I'll tell you. I'll explain you. So anyhow, we have not gone through all the codes, but still, I'll tell you whatever we have done till now. See, all nothing but buttons. Okay. Here command you have written the lambda function.
Okay.
In button you have written the lambda function. Okay.
Hmm.
So see, button first text will be 1, then background color this, command equal to press 1, then height width. That's it. Like that button you have to do it. Nothing else. Then write some functions too. If I press plus means it should do a sum. Like we have done one program, right? Simple calculator. Like that some program they have written. So that you have to do. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Just I mean like that so many small programs are there using this GUI. You can find it as per your interest. You want any game and any small games also there. Okay, and just go there, I'll tell you. But and again, that is we are not cover all the topics, but still if you want you can type as per your interest some simple game. Bus enter first one, Python second one. Okay, so color game, let's say some game, whatever, some so many games and all these things are there. So I think Masood is interested in games, so he can so flame game.
Lively, definitely.
Go to the snake game
Sure.
below that. Snake game. Hmm. Okay, let's see how it is happening. But anyhow, maybe you have not gone through all this thing, but copy and paste it, run it just once. Let's see what is coming. So here, at least you should understand the things. The rest is smart copy and paste. Done. Run it. I think output something came. I don't know. Let's see. Maybe it is not that much simple game, but just drag it. Okay, PIL module is not there. Okay, that you have to install then. Okay, leave it. Maybe just a small program. This is a little bit. They have imported some other modules, so that I'll tell you later. Okay.
Okay.
So like that you can try small games whichever you have covered till now. So for your own interest you can do it. Okay. So now till now any doubt?
no, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So let's join in our next session for.
Yes, sir.
Okay.